Be heavily conscious and earthly wise. Your decision decide your destiny. It is not how people see you. It is how you see yourself. And it is not what people think about you. It is what you think about yourself. Listen, if you fuel your journey to greatness with people's opinion, one day you will run out of fuel. Egoghene, na na. Listen, according to John 10:10, the thief cometh to steal, to kill, and to destroy. But Jesus said, I have come for you to have life and have it more abundantly. No matter the amount of stars in the sky, they cannot outshine the moon. Why Joshua? Why Egoghene? Jesus tare no one Joshua. One more people manana. Hey, why Joshua? Why Joshua? Why Joshua? A bad attitude is like a flat tire. You can't go anywhere until you change it. Music. The biggest gift you will give to God is soul. And the biggest gift you will give to a sinner is God. If God has not called you, don't wear the collar. I don't know what tomorrow holds, but I know who holds tomorrow. Who God has blessed, no man can cause. It is your turn. Baby.